What's up, Saltee Tribe? Welcome back to your go-to channel for all things travel and adventure. It's your host, Saltee Chief, and today, we're diving into 10 epic travel hacks to save big on your 2025 adventures. Whether you're dreaming of surfing in Puerto Rico, or exploring the vibrant streets of Lisbon, these hacks will keep your wallet happy and your wanderlust thriving. So grab your travel journal, join the Saltee Tribe by hitting that subscribe button, and let's unlock the secrets to traveling smarter in 2025. Alright Tribe, let's kick things off with a classic book your flights on the right day to save hundreds. Data shows that Tuesdays and Wednesdays are when airlines drop their best deals as they release new fares mid-week. Imagine you're planning a summer 2025 trip to Maui, one of the hottest destinations this year. Booking on a Tuesday could save you up to 20% compared to a Saturday. Use tools like Google Flights to track prices and set alerts for your dream spot. This hack means more cash for a luau or a whale-watching tour. Who's ready to score cheap flights? Let me know in the comments. Hack number 2 is all about timing your adventure. Shoulder seasons, those magical months between peak and off-peak, offer lower prices and fewer crowds. Take Greece, a top search destination for summer 2025. Visiting in May or September can cut hotel costs by 30% and give you more space to explore the Parthenon. Plus, the weather's still perfect for island hopping. Check Expedia or Booking.com for shoulder season steals, and you'll be sipping frappes by the Aegean without draining your savings. Tribe, what's your favorite shoulder season spot? Here's a sneaky trick for the Saltee Tribe. Always book flights and hotels in incognito mode. Websites track your searches and might hike prices if they see you're interested. Picture this. You're eyeing a flight to Rio de Janeiro, a trending 2025 destination. Keep searching and the price could creep up. Open a private browser window, clear your cookies, and those fares stay low. This takes seconds but can save you enough for extra caipirinhas or a samba class. Try it on your next booking and share your savings in the comments. Hack 4 is a total game-changer. Use credit card points to cover flights or hotels. Cards like Chase Sapphire or Capital One Venture let you earn points on daily purchases redeemable for travel. For example, a round-trip flight to Juneau, Alaska, a 2025 adventure hotspot, could be free with enough points. Sign up for a card with a hefty welcome bonus, but always pay off your balance to avoid interest. It's like getting a vacation for free, Tribe. Who's used points to travel? Drop your tips below. Let's talk food, because the Saltee Tribe loves a good meal. Hack 5 is to eat like a local to save big. Skip overpriced tourist restaurants and hit up local markets or food stalls. In Lisbon, a 2025 must-visit, you can grab a pastel de nata for just a couple of euros at a neighborhood cafe. Not only is it cheaper, but you'll taste authentic flavors and connect with the culture. Apps like Yelp or Google Maps can point you to hidden gems. Tribe, what's the best local dish you've tried? Let's swap foodie tips. Hack 6 is about getting around without breaking the bank. Instead of pricey taxis, use public transport or rideshares like Uber or Bolt. In Budapest, a trending 2025 city, the metro and trams are super affordable and cover all the major sites like the Széchenyi thermal baths. A day pass costs less than a single taxi ride, leaving more for goulash or ruined bar drinks. Download city transport apps before you go for easy navigation. Who's a public transport pro? Share your hacks with the tribe. Next up, hack 7 book activities in advance to lock in discounts. Platforms like Get Your Guide or Viator offer deals on tours, museum tickets, and more. Planning a trip to Tulum in 2025? Pre-booking a cenote tour can save you 15 to 20% compared to buying on-site. Plus, you'll skip long lines, giving you more time to explore. Check for bundle deals that include multiple attractions. Tribe, what's your go-to activity booking site? Let's help each other save. Hack 8 is a Saltee Tribe favorite. Stay in alternative accommodations like Airbnb hostels or guest houses instead of pricey hotels. In Banff, Canada, a 2025 outdoor gem, you can find cozy cabins or shared lodges for half the cost of a resort. These options often come with kitchens so you can cook and save even more. Use filters on booking sites to find places with free cancellation for flexibility. Who stayed in a unique spot? Tell us about it below. Hack 9 is all about packing smart to dodge extra fees. Budget airlines love charging for checked bags, but you can beat them with a carry-on. For a trip to Dubai, a 2025 luxury hotspot, pack versatile outfits and travel-sized toiletries to fit everything in a backpack. Use packing cubes to maximize space, and weigh your bag before heading to the airport. This hack saves you enough for a desert safari or a rooftop cocktail. Tribe, what's your packing secret? Drop it in the comments. Our final hack is to join loyalty programs for airlines, hotels, and rental cars. Programs like Marriott Bonvoy or Delta SkyMiles reward you with points for every booking, which add up fast. Heading to Puerto Rico in 2025? A free hotel night from points could extend your trip. Sign up for free programs before you book and check for promotions to earn bonus points. It's an easy way to make every trip cheaper. Tribe, which loyalty program do you love? Let's share the wealth. And there you have it, Saltee Tribe. 10 travel hacks to save big on your 2025 adventures. From booking flights on Tuesdays to eating like a local, these tips will help you explore the world without breaking the bank. Which hack are you trying first? Drop it in the comments and let's keep the travel vibes going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join the Saltee Tribe for more epic travel tips. Until next time, keep exploring, stay salty, and I'll see you on the road. Peace out, Tribe.